Does your shop ever feel like controlled chaos? The phone is ringing, customers are asking about their orders, someone cannot find the artwork, and a rush order just showed up for tomorrow morning. Sounds familiar? You are not alone. Today I will show you 5 simple ways to make your shop run more smoothly without hiring more people. Donna is out sick. What do we do now? Whiteboards work until they do not. They can only tell part of the story, and only if everyone remembers to update them. Most shops spend all day putting out today's fires. Successful shops spend 15 minutes every Monday looking at the entire week. When everyone knows what is coming, emergencies become much less common. Every order should move through the same process. If every employee has their own system, mistakes are inevitable. Everyone in the shop should be on the same page. How many times have you waited 2 days for a customer to approve artwork? Giving customers a simple approval link can save dozens of emails and phone calls every month. Before everyone goes home, spend 5 minutes reviewing tomorrow's schedule. 5 minutes today can save an hour tomorrow. Chaos does not disappear overnight, but small improvements add up quickly. Whether you are using a whiteboard, spreadsheets, or dedicated software, having one place to manage every order makes a huge difference. If you are looking for a simple production planning system built specifically for screen printing and embroidery shops, take a look at ShopPlanner. You can even try the live demo at shopplanner.app. Try it free for 30 days, no credit card needed.